He's played a bad shot. That's the one that Saqlain Mushtaq manages to drift. That's a terrible shot, trying to dominate, gets a leading edge, simple catch to backward point. And Sachin Tendulkar is out for a dunk.
Well, you don't see this too often. Sachin Tendulkar wanting to hit Saqlain out of the ground. Saqlain nicely tossing the straighter one. His best delivery, miscuing it, and safely held by Salim Malik. Most important catch taken by him. And Akram, and the senior professional, is delighted. It's gone for naught. India lose their third wicket for 72.
They've gone up in a appeal. Azharuddin started to walk, stopped, just took a little chance, and umpire Ramaswamy's finger was up in a flash. You could hear the sound when he played forward. So they've got the wicket they were looking for. Azharuddin has gone to Saqlain Mushtaq, and India now in trouble. 4 down for 103.
Oh, this is beautifully bowled by Saqlain Mushtaq, giving it just a little bit more air. There's the bat pad. Nice catch that from Inzamamul Haq. It's a sharp catch. Mohammad Azharuddin is out for 11. India in trouble now, 103 for 4. Saurav Ganguly is the new man, and he'll add some run. Big turn there. Pakistani fielders go up in appeal. Rahul Dravid indicating that it might have come off the pad strap.
More than likely it did come off the pad. Just brushing the pad on the way through. I think this was good umpiring, actually. Bat and pad very close together.
Now that's going to be close. Up goes the finger. It's a dangerous ploy to not offer a shot, especially when an off-spinner like Saqlain has the delivery that can straighten after pitching. Rahul Dravid is dismissed here, and India have lost their 5th wicket.
Well, this is indeed a big wicket for Pakistan. Dravid had earlier also left a straighter one from Saqlain Mushtaq, was given the benefit of the doubt then, but this time Ramaswamy saying that yes, you were in front of the wickets. Out LBW, it's gone for 53, and India lose their 5th wicket for 156.
And Mungia in 3 deliveries. He's already got to see the variation that Saqlain Mushtaq has. He's seen a top spinner, he's seen an off break, and now he's seen this one.
So getting a bit of bounce. Mungia had to first read whether it was an off spinner or a drifter, and then had to
Oh, he's got him. That is beautifully bowled. Once again, the ball that held its line. And this is magical stuff from Saqlain Mushtaq.
Last time the West Indies played against Pakistan, this man mesmerized most of the West Indian batsmen. And look at this. Again, beautiful delivery, straight on, no turn. And Mungia using his feet, trying to go over the top as he did before. It's 166 for 6.
That's out. And that's another 5-wicket haul for Saqlain Mushtaq. Anil Kumble playing it onto his pads, and a simple catch to Yusuf Yohana at forward shortly.
And Anil Kumble very disappointed, but Saqlain Mushtaq has been rewarded for his perseverance. Plenty of variation. Again, that one, Kumble looking to play it on the onside, getting an inside edge of his bat onto the pad. No mistake by the man at forward short leg, Yusuf Yohana. And India have lost another wicket here. Pakistan.
He's given him. Always on the cards. Don't offer a shot. There's been a history in this match of umpires giving dismissals, decisions when shots have not been offered.
Well, as a misreading, Saqlain Mushtaq, crowd stunned. This was an important wicket for Pakistan. There you see, looked pretty adjacent to the stumps. Saqlain Mushtaq's joy can be seen there on your screens. It's got Muhammad Azharuddin for 7. India lose their 4th wicket for 73.
Beautifully bowled. What an over. 75 for 4.
Moin Khan has been hit there and he's still smiling. He's a tough cookie.
Look at the way this ball has bounced, an indication of what the Indians have to face. The ball has turned and it's bounced and it's hit Moin Khan on the side of his head.
And this time he's got him. At least the Pakistan fielders think they've got him. Steve Dunn again is checking with VK Ramaswamy. Well, this will be very unfortunate for Ganguly. He timed that well. He's raised the finger. That's most unfortunate. And that's a big wicket gone for the Indians. Watch Moin Khan here.
We've been talking about the excellent captaincy. The ball has bounced off that, it's gone off onto the ground, and then Moin Khan has taken that. Steve Dunn consulted with the square leg umpire. Saurav Ganguly knows that the ball went off the shin pads onto the ground, then bounced off to Moin Khan.
Well, Sunny, that's a shocking decision. Now, yesterday he asked for the third umpire. Now, he had every right to call the third umpire here because there's always a doubt whether that catch is being taken cleanly. It's bounced, hit the ground, and then Moin Khan takes it. Now, that's unfortunate. That's not out. But that's not what the scorebook is going to say. The scorebook will say caught Moin Khan, bowled Saqlain Mushtaq. And India have lost their fifth wicket here. Ganguly gone, 82 runs on the board. He can't believe it. He's still watching it.
As he loves to take the aerial route, he's known to hit the ball a long way. This is an excellent delivery. Spun across the face of the bat. It's beautiful stuff.
17 runs now. Fascinating thing about that was the previous ball had gone down the wicket and forced then Saqlain to bowl slightly shorter. Oh dear, he's got the leading edge. Man's under it. It's taken. What have we got here? Sachin Tendulkar has knocked on the door. It's still closed. Another leading edge, the second in the match, and the end of one of the great test match innings you'll see.
This was a great knock. Ended by a drifter.
He's done him again, Saqlain Mushtaq. He did him for a duck in the first innings. This time again, he bowled that floater. He's cutting, it's a cutting ball, that's the 9th wicket, first ball. Sunil Joshi's out.
Well, they're all stunned into silence. Things were looking so rosy 10 minutes ago. It has all changed. A simple caught-on bowl by Saqlain Mushtaq. Lots of bat with that pad. And the ball just lobbed back into his hands. That's 9 wickets.
before.
Completely deceived by that drifter from Saqlain Mushtaq. But I think it just bounced a bit too much. Hit him very high. Look at this delivery. Excellent delivery, but much too high. That would have certainly gone over the top. Venkatesh Prasad looking for that.
We bowled the one that will come back. Yes, he almost got his man. This is very, very clever bowling. Very intelligent bowling, this.
I think you could almost tell before it was bowled that this would have been the off break. Prasad, of course, not picking them one different to the other. Just missed the off stump.
He's bowled it. The ball has gone off the bat onto the stumps, and Pakistan have won.
Well, I'm sure they thought this was a very unlikely victory, Pakistan, when Sachin Tendulkar was going at his best. They're stunned in this crowd. Very, very quiet. Only ones making any noise are the Pakistani players. And they are elated. Who can blame them? They fought back well. This test match has gone from side to side. Fortunes have ebbed and flowed. And Pakistan have come out the victors.